Yo, what's up guys? Andito ako ngayon sa anong pangalan nito? Yo guys, andito ako ngayon sa Green and Wild Expo 2019. So, mostly ng mga naka-exhibit dito is yung mga na-shoot na mga ibon. So, wildlife photography siya. Isa sa pinakamahirap na type sa photography. So, yan, pakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga nakuhaan nila. Let's go! Yan guys, as you can see, para sa akin ito yung medyo, actually hindi medyo, talagang nagagandahan ako. Ang ganda nung pagkasiluit ng mga ibon, tapos isang pack pa sila, and then tingin ko ano na ito yung sunset. Sobrang ganda guys.
Ang pogi-pogi ko, sabi ng nanay ko. Ang pogi-pogi ko.
Nandito pa rin ako sa event ng Green and Wild Expo 2019. And kung nakikita nyo guys, yung shot na yan, ang halaga is 19,900. Well, this one is 14,900. This one is 24,900. Makikita nyo yung iba walang presyo. Ibig sabihin hindi siya for sale. Kung alin lang yung may presyo, yun lang yung for sale. as of now, nandito pa rin ako sa event ng Green and Wild Expo 2019. And nakikita niyo Makikita nyo yung iba walang presyo. Sabihin, hindi siya per sale. Alin lang yung may presyo, yun lang yung per sale.
Exhibitors naman po, we've got Rex Bookstore, Philpost, Radenda, HP, SMBC, Sony, Wild Bird Club of the Philippines, Katala Foundation, Philippine Eagle Foundation, Haribon Foundation, Mindoro Biodiversity Conservation Foundation Incorporated, Wetlands International, Philippine Biodiversity Conservation Foundation Incorporated, Greenpeace, Kamitin Noble Resort, and Nepal. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga exhibitors. And ngayon naman po for our closing ceremonies, we'd just like to ask a message from Mr. Ray Santa Ana, ang founding member of the Wild Bird Photographers of the Philippines.
Very successful. I think he even it exceeded his expectations. So I'd like to thank all the people who support him, and we should continue to support him so we can have this event again next year. Sir Alaine. Getting old. So, see you again next year. Thank you for coming. Thank you for...
Thank you very much, Sir Ray. Ngayon naman po we'll be asking short messages from some of our participating organizations. Let's begin with Mr. Don Job Tabaranza of MBCFI.
First off, congratulations and thank you, using Alaine, to Haribon and Versin Focus for successful event, and thank you for inviting us, Mindoro Biodiversity Conservation Foundation, to our fellow birders, bird photographers, fellow conservation organizations. Nice to see you. We had a couple of days discussing with you. We had small talks with DepEd, with Philpost, that we have several new ideas that we can go forward from here. So thank you very much, everybody. Have a pleasant day.
Thank you very much. Launching naman po from Katala Foundation. May we invite in front Miss Indira Dayang with them.
ginagawa namin sa Palawan ay may chance na kami ipaabot po sa urban Manila. No? Masaya kami na yung mga estudyante natin ay nakikilala nila ang Philippine poverty. Hindi lang po sa picture, sa mascot, at talagang meron invitation na talagang gusto nila makita ito. So maraming salamat po sa invitation ng Wild Bird Photographers of the Philippines at sa Focus at sa usec, Alaine, for the free space you have given to us and the opportunity. And we have more reasons to smile to each other and to work together for the conservation of Philippine biodiversity. Maraming salamat po.
This is the American Call for Philippine Eagle Foundation. We invite Ms. Bowie Pena. Hello.
I just wanted to thank the organizers for having us today. We're so glad to be part of something like this. We're coming all the way from Davao City, so we're glad that we're reaching the Manila crowd, and not just the Manila crowd, but people who are interested in wildlife and in birds and raptors. So we're really glad to be part of something like this and to be able to show bird of prey as well, which we've been wanting to spread all over the country, which is basically what we've been doing for the past couple of months. So thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so much, Bowie. And this time we will invite here in front from Birds and Focus Incorporated, Ms. Maya Tanyado, to discuss some of the summary of the bird cafe meetings that happened during that time.
Hello everyone. Aside from all the simultaneous events that were going on, the bird of prey screenings, the free lectures, the gallery, there were also a series of meetings at the Bird Cafe. So we gathered together different conservation groups to meet with different agencies also, such as the Tourism Promotions Board and different offices of DepEd. So I think, personally, and I hope those who attended the meeting also found it very productive. Looking forward, there are many opportunities to influence curriculum in terms of conservation and environmental awareness for the students, and also to be able to establish possibly in the future localized bird fairs in the different sites where these conservation organizations are already actively doing a lot of good work. So hopefully with the further support of DepEd and a collective effort of these different organizations, more can be done. We also had meetings with PhilPost. So hopefully, with a lot of proposals, I saw during the meeting wheels turning in the heads of the different conservation organizations that contributions to the PhilPost will be fruitful, and it's a partnership not only for the benefit of PhilPost but also for the promotion of the different efforts of the conservation group. So hopefully, after this event, the things discussed during the meetings will have very concrete and very positive. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Messiah. Okay, and right now we want to also talk about the auction, the silent auction that happened today. So this is to raise funds for the revival of the enamel weaving of the Tagabawa tribe in Sibulan, Davao City. So the items for auction were items from the birding community as well. So this will be announced by Mr. Olan Bandino of Wild Bird Photographers of the Philippines.
Actually, it's for the benefit of the weavers in Sibulan. That's the tribe where the Philippine eagle was nesting a few years ago. So we spoke with the community, with the tribal council, and they want to revive the weavers. They have a fabric called inabal. It's similar to the pinalak. I think pinalak is more familiar to most people, but they don't have a loom. Okay, so part of the proceeds of the silent auction will go to hopefully purchasing a loom for them so that they can continue their weaving. Okay, so I'll be announcing the winners already. For the tripod bag, Real Tree Camo, that's item number 2. It goes to Mr. Arnel Macayola. Congratulations. Item number 3, a camera backpack clip, goes to Mr. Mark Capistano. Congratulations. Next, item number 4, a tripod back, color black, goes again to Mr. Mark Capistano. Okay, item number 5, lens bag, color black, goes to Professor Bert Madrigal. Congratulations. Hot item, bag number 6, camera bag, color black, think tank, goes to Miss Beam Austria. Sorry boys, alam ko a lot of boys did for it, but a lady won. Item number color black man photo goes to Mr. Arvin Marchan. Congratulations, sir. And the last item number 8, a camera trolley bag, think tank, goes again to Miss Dim, Austria. Congratulations, lucky winner. Okay, thank you, congratulations, and thank you to everybody who bid.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Miss Maya, and congratulations once again to the winners. Of course, in this way, we'll be able to help a lot of our weavers in Cebulan. And kaya naman from one awarding to the other, we are now excited to award the winners of the Philippine Birds as Art Photography Contest. So may we now invite usec Alaine Pascua here in front for the awarding of our Art Photography Contest. Okay. Okay, so we'll just wait for the presence of usec Alaine. So again, usec Alaine, good evening.
Good evening. We have 4 winners in the Haribon Wbpp Art Photography Photo Contest. And first stage that we did that Ray and I evaluated about 100 entries coming from different bird photographers, and we have chosen 12 finalists. 12 finalists are displayed on the walls, and then we will later on, it's also online, and the 12 entries we submitted to Art Morris of the United States of America. He's one of the most renowned wild bird photographer in the world. And also Jorn Olisen, who is based in Malaysia, I think. Yeah, he's based in Malaysia or Singapore, but he's a British. And both of them evaluated the 12 finalists. If you would want to see the comments of Art Morris, it's on the walls in the gallery beside every picture. And Mr. Olisen has only commented on several. We combined their comments and assessment, and we came up with the following winners. For the third runner-up, the prize is a Canon mini printer PB 1238. There's only one actually, but there are 2 winners in the third runner-up position. Hindi ko alam pa paano ahatiin. Siguro isa ink lang, isa ink pen. But we will ask Canon if they can provide another one. Para sa ganon ay mas maayos yung pagbibigyan natin. The third runner-up is a tie between the photo of Lawrence Advincula and the photo of Wilfred Paler. The photo of Lawrence Advincula, you have seen the photos there, is the photo of the white-throated kingfisher. White-throated brown kingfisher ba ang tawag nila? Brown-breasted, white-throated. Brown-breasted kingfisher, and the photo of Wilfred Paler is the frogmouth. So, maganda yung comments ni Art Morris at ni Olisen sa dalawang photo. But we will upload them mamaya gabi. But for the meantime, you can see it in the wall. The second runner-up is the prize for the second runner-up is another printer, Canon Pixma TS8270 as a printer. I think you have there the printer. So, and ang nanalo dyan sa third place sa second runner-up position ay si Captain Floyd Bermeno. At yung kanyang picture of nightjar pala, nightjar. It's a very difficult, also a difficult subject. and the color of pitch black is being featured as one of the items that made it one second runner-up. The first runner-up is a Hewlett-Packard notebook plus a Canon mini printer. And the first runner-up, the second place, is won by the newcomer, Kirkamon Abelio. Kaya na ba daw? O kailangan, ngayon ko lang kasi nakita yung pangalan, matagal na siguro ako din nagpo-post. And this is a guayabera bird. Yung nandun kanina. Pakita niyo doon, green on green. And the winner who won Canon 80D with kit lens of 18 to 135mm length. Ang sabi dun ni Art Morris, super bird, super sharp, lovely light, a good head angle, nice perch, that easy image design. All the components for winning photo is in that photography, or is in that photograph. And the winner is Ramon Kisumbing Strogel. Those are the winners of the first Haribon Wbpp Bird as Art Photography contest. Unfortunately, for the Digital Arts Division, in the Digital Arts Division, we could not agree even in the entry of finalists. So there are no finalists and there are no winners on the second category. Meaning, maybe we have not yet mastered the arts of digital art with photography, and most of our focus is in natural history. Hindi kasi sumama sa Arnel eh. Arnel is puro eh, pagdating sa digital arts eh. And even Jonet has not joined. No? Kaya medyo pagdating dun sa digital arts, kulang pa. Dito muna tayo sa natural art. Pero all the photos there are really wonderful and very amazing. So maraming salamat po sa Canon, sa HP, sa True Religion, and other sponsors that gave prizes and gave support to this photography contest. This is just the first photography contest. And we're hoping next year we will be holding the same expo in the same photo contest. We will have Art Morris here.
Sir, baka naman po you can indulge us with your closing remarks na rin po. Yes, sir, for more airtime. Thank you very much, usec. Okay. Ayan po, mapapasahan muna po daw po sila. Okay, sir, i-indulge us with the closing remarks. Just to thank everybody for participating, for joining us, and being our partners.
Part 2. So, I have nothing more to say, but hats off to usec Alaine. Very wonderful event, very rich in content. It's really extraordinary. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you for your support. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ray Santa Ana. And again, congratulations to everyone, especially po to usec Alaine Pascua for a very successful event. And looking forward for more of Green and Wild Expo.
I would like therefore to express our heartfelt congratulations and thanks to usec Alaine Pascua for convening this wild and green expo, the first of its kind in the country. which heighten our awareness that we have such beautiful way of life and the urgent need to serve it. And may this dream do our Expo serve as a vehicle for greater things to come in the field of conservation. Thank you, enjoy the experience, and good morning.
Haribon product goes to conservation initiative. First, in Mount Apo, in the Sibulan village, we have told them that part of the facilities and all the apparel and all the frames will be for the revival of their Inabel weaving. So that they can
this kind of expo, we are being educated. So imagine, I personally would just think of a very few species of birds in the Philippines. But now seeing all the photos and knowing that they can only be found here in the Philippines, most of them, is really a great way to encourage more and more people to take care of the environment.
lang, mga ano lang, minor lang. Ano naman yun, mas lightness naman yung mga ano.
Dahil ako